Hey, I'm in a 2008 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first you'll go down, find this release here. Typically feel a little resistance as you pull and hear like a pop. So you can see what the backside looks like. There's going to be like a cable right here. It's a little tension. And that's what gives the signal to the front for releasing the safety. Alright, so now we'll go up to the front. And see how it's a little bit loose. That's what that safety release did. Most vehicles right around the middle will feel a lever. And then this one, it's right here. So this one will kind of pull this way and pull up. Slightly heavy. Not too bad. Fortunately, it's got these lifts, if they're working right, to kind of hold it up. But it latches onto that with this setup. So here's that lever I pulled. So if this isn't working right, it's probably offline. Maybe it's got some debris, maybe it's stuck, needs a little WD-40, something like that. Or this part needs replaced. But typically you can straighten it out and it'll be fine. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.